Hello, I'm gonna be attempting to repair this cutting board. I actually got this one for free, but as you can see here, there's quite a large gap in between, and I'm hoping to be able to seal it with this the wood glue. Sorry, my cat just walked across, and a couple more cracks here. So we're gonna be sanding this down after gluing and sort of putting the vacuum right underneath, and that should work well. And then I'll polish it up and figure out what to do with it. Okay, so I realized that because I recorded the gluing process during midnight, it was kind of dark, and I'm not sure if the footage will be good, but this is the finished product after gluing. So I'm just trying to focus the camera here, and as you can see here, the glue actually fell into the crack and then sealed off this gap, which is good because obviously if you're using this as a cutting board, you don't want water to penetrate inside and then start to rot the wood. So if you have a bigger crack or gaps in this, what I would recommend is to actually use a miter saw or a circular saw and actually split this entire half of the board and then glue them back together. I think that would be a better option, but because of this board that I have, I saw that the crack wasn't too big, so I knew that I can seal it with a simple, waterproof glue. And then, so now I'm gonna be sanding this entire thing again, and then put mineral oil and polish it up, and it should be good to go. So here's the final product of this repaired cutting board. As you can see here, there's still a lot of deep scratches, but because I already put mineral oil and also like polishing, it covers up. So this feels very smooth right now, which is okay. And we're gonna be testing now, cutting some broccoli and some potatoes. See how it goes. hit the like button and subscribe. If you have suggestions for different projects and ideas, please let me know down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching!